ZeroMQ Polar versus Tornado's EventLoop. Design-wise and performance-wise, which approach is recommended for handling multiple ZeroMQ sockets and why? Is it true that Tornado's I/O loop used by ZeroMQ hogs less CPU than the Polar used in a while loop for handling multiple sockets?
It would be nice if you add your own observation, analysis to your question. I don't think there is any difference in performance, but there is a difference in design. In case of Polar, you register your sockets to be polled and then you use if blocks to identify and work with each socket. In case of EventLoop, but using EventLoop is quite elegant when you are handling multiple sockets since you register callbacks. As you can notice from the second example, the if blocks are removed. You write your socket messaging operation elsewhere and you register your callback methods when socket is ready. In this case on _ref. I hope that clarifies your question.
The Tornado I/O loop, as re-implemented by PyZeroMQ, uses the Polar behind the scenes anyway, so it is unlikely that one would use more CPU than the other. See this URL for details.